Welcome back, Budgie Breeder One here. So I just woke up. I'm about to go get my birds. Welcome back, Budgie Breeder One here. So my camera's broke, so I have to record off my phone for now. Sorry about that. But I got surprised. So I just got a call from the post office, and it's my birds. I ordered some new birds because I need more new bloodline. I need new bloodlines, and I'm excited to see what they look like in person. The woman called me, she was like, "Hey, is your name blah blah blah?" I was like, "Yeah, that's me, the one and only, the baddest." She was like, "Okay, your bird." She didn't know it was more than one. She was like, "Your bird is here, and it's not making no noise." I hope they not DOA. Cause when I ship, I do 1 day shipping. These birds came in 2 days. It was supposed to come on Thursday, which is tomorrow, but they got shipped on Monday and arrived today on Wednesday, when they were supposed to arrive tomorrow on Thursday. So that's saved 1 day. So I'm so glad that happened. Let's see how they look, and I hope everybody's okay. So let's go. Okay, my number is on the box, so I don't want to show too much, but yeah, I got them and we're going home. Okay, they hear my other birds and now they're starting to make noise. Can't wait to see them. Oh my god. Hold on. Ooh. Okay guys, for the big reveal. Hold on. Hold on. Oh my god, he's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at them. Oh my gosh.
Aw, you don't have a name, do you?